x square root x is equal to 2, x is equal to what? How to solve this question? It is an interesting math. Let's start. First of all, here is x times square root x down square root x is equal to 2. Then I use both sides whole square. Yes, because of that we want to move on this square root. So at this moment this equation becomes, look, here is x to the power 2 times, and here is square root x times square root x and whole to the power 2. This 2 is equal to the power 2. Yes, now at this moment I can say easily, here is x to the power 2 times, and this square root and this square is cancelled. We are find out here is x times square root x, this x is equal to the power 2. Yes, now at this moment I can say easily, here is x to the power 2 times, and here is x to the power 1. Because of that here is exponent is 1, and here is square root x is equal to 4. Yes, this is 4. Now at this moment I can say easily, here is x to the power, according to exponential rules here is base is same, so if I add exponent we will find out here is 3. 2 plus 1, it will be 3, and square root x is equal to 4. Now I use both sides whole square. Again I use both sides whole square. Now at this moment x to the power 3 we will find out bracket power is 2 times, and it will be x square root x power is 2 is equal to 16. Yes, 4 to the power 2, it will be 16. Then here is x to the power 6, 2 times 3, it will be 6 times square root is cancelled. We'll find out here is x is equal to 16. Because of that square root is cancelled. We'll find out here is exponent is 1. Now it gives us, you know, that here is exponent 6 plus 1, it will be 7. Because of that base is same, so it will be 7 is equal to 16. Then if I use both side power is 1 over 7, and we'll find out 16 power 1 over 7, so 7 cancel. We'll find out x is equal to 16 power 1 over 7. This is our final answer. It will be 7 root 16. Yes, now let's check out our question. Our question is 7 x square root x is equal to 2, but we'll find out here is x is equal to 16 power 1 over 7. Yes, now you know that our question is x square root x down square root x is equal to 2. Yes, our answer is 2 now at this moment. So here is x is equal to 16 power 1 over 7 times square root x, it will be 16 power 1 over 7 times square root, and here is x power 1 over 7, sorry, 16 power 1 over 7, and it is equal to 2. Yes, now at this moment I can say that it will be 16 power 1 over 7 times square root 16 power 1 over 7, it will be 16 power 1 over 7 times 1 over 2, and it will be square root, look, this is square root and this, it will be 16 power 1 over 7 times 1 over 2. Then again look, here is other square root, it will be 1 over 2 again is equal to 2. Okay, now at this moment I can say 16 power 1 over 7 times 16 power 1 over 14 times 16 power 2 times 7, it will be 14 times 2, it will be 28 power is 1 is equal to 2. Okay, now I can say easily, here is 16 and base is same, so I add all exponent 1 over 14 and plus 1 over 28 is equal to 2. Then I can say easily, it will be 16 power 28, here is least common below, so this divide this, it will be 4, plus this divide this, it will be 2, and this divide this, it will be 1 is equal to 2. Then we'll find out here is 16 power, look, 16 power 28, and here is 7, 4 plus 2 plus 1, it will be 7 is equal to 2. Now 16 and it will be 1 over 4 is equal to 2. Yes, So I can say easily 16, it will be 4 to the power 2 or 2 to the power 4. Okay, 2 to the power 4, and here is exponent is 1 over 4 is equal to 2. 2 to cancel, we'll find out 2 is equal to 2. Yes, so I can say that x is equal to 7 root 16. This is our final answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye, take care.